The skill I'm about to demonstrate is fingernail care. The supplies I will need are a basin, a towel for a barrier, a washcloth, gloves, an orange stick, and an emery board. Let me begin. Come in. Good afternoon, Miss Rice. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good. I'm coming to do a little bit of fingernail care for you. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, great. Let me go ahead and provide you with some privacy. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put not only your bed up, but the head of your bed up also. I think that will probably work for us. I'm just putting this towel down as a barrier so we can keep your own bed tan in case we spill any water or anything. Okay. Let me go ahead and get some water. Miss Rice, I tested the water, but I'd like you to feel it, please.
It's fine.
Is that fine? Okay. Can you place your hand in the water? Thank you. I'll go ahead and put my gloves on. For infection control reasons, you must wear gloves when doing either fingernail or foot care. Alrighty. If I could, please, take your hand out. I'm going to use the orange stick. I'm going to go up underneath each nail. Okay. And I'm wiping after each nail. Okay. All right. Dry, and let me feel your nails. Okay, that's pretty good. I need to feel all of them, ma'am. There's just a little edge right here that I'd like to get rid of, if I may. So I'm going to file in one direction only. How does that feel? Is that better?
That's better, yes.
Okay. You can rest your hand down. And for testing purposes only, we will dispose of both the emery board and the orange stick. If this were a real-life situation, we would go ahead and keep these individually for each of our clients. All right, I'll take that. And I'll place this in my dirty hamper. Once again, as we always do, we dump out the contents. We rinse our basin. We dry our basin. Remember, this is a 3-step process. If you do not do all 3, you will not receive credit for this particular step. Place your dry basin in the designated dirty area. I will now remove my gloves correctly, dispose of them, wash my hands, and now I will make my client comfortable. Miss Rice, for safety reasons, I am going to put your bed in the lowest position. Here is your call light, ma'am. Here's your overhead table, should you need it for anything. Is there anything I can do for you, ma'am?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, great. Let me put the privacy curtain back so you can chat with Miss Smith. And I am once again going to verbalize washing my hands. And this concludes fingernail care.